हेलो, मेरा नाम है सौम्यजीत विश्वास। मैं दिल्ली का छात्र हूँ। संजीव सर जिस हिसाब से हमें टैब से ज़ूम पे ऑनलाइन क्लास देते हैं, उससे बहुत अच्छे से हमें कंसेप्ट समझ में आता है और इतने अच्छे से समझ में आ गया है कि अभी लगता है कि बिना स्कूल के भी हम मार्क्स अचीव कर सकते हैं, अच्छे मार्क्स ला सकते हैं। और सर पढ़ाते हैं तो एक बार में ही कंसेप्ट पूरा समझ में आ जाता है, कहीं पे कोई डाउट नहीं रहता और सर ट्रिक्स भी बताते रहते हैं जिससे हमें क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में बहुत हेल्प मिलती है। मैं संजीव सर को थैंक्स कहना चाहता हूँ कि लॉकडाउन के इस टाइम पे भी सर ने हमें पढ़ाया, फ्री में हमको ऑनलाइन क्लास दे रहे हैं और हमें बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा है। थैंक यू।
Hi sir, I'm Akhila from KV number 1 Udhampur. I would like to thank you for your excellent teaching.
Hi sir, I'm her mother. Your work during this lockdown period is commendable. She is very keen to attend your classes.
Thank you so much sir. Jai Hind.
Hi, I'm Sanjeev Sir student Kashish Chal from Delhi, and I'm very glad to be a part of Sanjeev Sir online class because Sir's way of teaching is very awesome, and all students are very appreciate with him very much. सर जो हमारे डाउट्स लेते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी तरीके से क्लियर करते हैं, जिससे हम लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट मिलता है। और सर रेगुलर बेसिस पे हमारी क्लास लेते हैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, जिससे और बच्चों को सब बच्चों को
A student of class 11th from Kendriya Vidyalaya Sector 8 RK Puram, New Delhi. I came to know about Sanjeev Sir's online math class from my father's colleague. I am taking the class from 30th April 2020 and found it interesting as well as comfortable. I would like to thank Sanjeev Sir for this initiative taken by him at this part of time, and I would like to continue even after this lockdown period.
मैं अनमोल कक्षा 11वीं का छात्र संजीव सर द्वारा लगाई जा रही ऑनलाइन मैथमेटिक्स की क्लासेस में पढ़ रहा हूँ। ऑनलाइन क्लास में पढ़ते समय मुझे ऐसा महसूस होता है कि जैसे मैं एक एक्चुअल क्लास में पढ़ रहा हूँ, बिकॉज सर हर एक कंसेप्ट को इतना अच्छे से तथा डीपली एक्सप्लेन करते हैं और हर एक बच्चे को अपने डाउट सॉल्विंग का पूरा मौका मिलता है। सर के द्वारा चलाई जा रही फ्री ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आर्थिक मंदी झेल रहे गरीब परिवारों के बच्चों के लिए एक बहुत बड़ी सपोर्ट है। सर का यह कदम फ्री एजुकेशन तथा सरकार की योजना सब पढ़ें सब बढ़ें में एक महत्वपूर्ण कदम है।
नमस्ते सर, मेरा नाम प्रीतम है और मैं दिल्ली के गवर्नमेंट बॉयज़ सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल में पढ़ता हूँ। और मुझे ये मैथ की क्लास बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, जो कि बठिंडा से संजीव सर ले रहे हैं। और मैं ये मैथ की क्लास डेली अटेंड भी करता हूँ। और पहले मुझे बहुत डर लगता था कि मैं 9th की मैथ कैसे करूँगा, बट अब मुझे बिल्कुल भी डर नहीं लगता। अब मैं बिल्कुल कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ। थैंक यू सर।
Hello, I am Anubhuti Srivastav of KV Sector 8 RK Puram, New Delhi. During this period of lockdown, I was very worried about my studies. And then I came to know about Sanjeev Sir's online maths classes. This class is a boon, especially for class 12 students, as they have a tightly packed study plan for board exams. Sanjeev Sir's class is really of a great help. His teaching methodology and use of online platform for conducting classes has become a very useful tool. I request all math aspirants to join his class as he does it as a social cause without charging any fees. Lastly, I want to thank Sanjeev Sir for his kind initiative. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Divya from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, and today I am going to share my experience with you all of online classes. Actually, one day I was scrolling through the Facebook page and suddenly an advertisement caught my eye that says the free online classes of mathematics. And so I was finding a tutor for me in the mathematics, and I was in standard 8. And so in this pandemic situations, I was unable to go any tuitions anymore. And but actually the Sanjeev Sir's online classes has a great boon for me, and it really helped me a lot because Sanjeev Sir used to teach each and every method on each and every step and tips of the mathematics very clearly and very awesomely tips. And even we can clear our doubts face to face, even at the time only. And he also used to explain very politely. Without hesitation, we can ask any doubt. And yes, the most interesting thing for me is sometimes Sanjeev Sir used to take the tutors and professionals from the worldwide, which can gain a knowledge anymore abroad. So I can share my experience like recently we had interacted with a doctor who is experienced from Australia. It was really a great trip forever he has given and a great session forever for me. And at last, I want to thank to Sanjeev sir and all the staff members to have such a splendid program ever. And the best wishes from my side always with you all guys. And thank you a lot and have a great day. Bye.
Hi everyone, I'm Bhavneet Kaur. I'm from Malaysia. I'm attending Sanjeev sir's online classes which are free of cost. These classes are wonderful and understandable as Sir explains every single question with details in the most simplest way, which makes it convenient for us to understand. If you have any doubts about any question, you can ask without hesitating as Sir will explain it politely. This is a great opportunity during this time. I hope everyone will grab it. I hope these classes continue in further also, and I would really attend it till the end. Thank you so much, sir. Really appreciate it. Bye.
Welcome guys, my name is Abhijit Singh.
And my name is Avneet Kaur.
We both are from UAE.
I am studying in Al Sabah Indian Private School.
And I am studying in Sharjah Indian School.
We are attending Sanjeev sir's online classes which are completely free. He is a great social worker. He is not only a good teacher but also a good person.
He clarifies each and every single doubt which arises in our mind. And he also makes sure that we understand each and every topic in the best possible way. Thank you.
Stay home, stay safe.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है कोमलदीप सिंह और मैं अभी +1 क्लास में पढ़ रहा हूँ। इस कोविड की वजह से हमारी स्कूल की क्लासेस थोड़ी लेट शुरू हुई, लेकिन उससे पहले मेरे को संजीव सर की क्लासेस के बारे में पता चला, तो मैंने संजीव सर की क्लासेस ज्वाइन की और सर ने हमें जितने भी चैप्टर्स कराए हैं मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से वो आ गए हैं। और सर हर चैप्टर का टेस्ट ले चुके हैं। सर हर वक्त हमें पूछते रहते हैं कि कोई डाउट तो नहीं है क्लास में, और अगर होता है तो सर एकदम अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करके क्लियर करते रहे। मैं सर को दिल से थैंक यू करना चाहूँगा कि सर ने जो भी हमें नॉलेज दी है वो आगे हमारे काम है।
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ श्रद्धा राजश्री सिंह, कक्षा 12वीं से, और मैं संजीव सर के फ्री मैथ्स क्लासेस अप्रैल से लगा रही हूँ। तब से लेकर अब तक हमने बहुत सारे चैप्टर्स कवर कर लिए हैं। 12वीं कक्षा की क्लासेस शाम 6 बजे शुरू होते हैं और हम लोग सबसे पहले मैथ्स की कॉन्सेप्ट को अच्छे से समझते हैं, फिर उसी कॉन्सेप्ट के बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं, और जब अगर बीच में कोई डाउट निकल जाए तो हम लोग उसी समय पूछ लेते हैं। क्लास में सर हम सब से इंटरैक्ट करते हैं और सर हमें हर एक क्वेश्चन तर्क संगत समझाते हैं। मैं बहुत कृतज्ञ और आभारी हूँ कि मुझे संजीव सर जैसे मैथ्स टीचर मिले, जिन्होंने न सिर्फ मुझे मैथ्स की एग्ज़ाम के लिए पढ़ाया बल्कि मुझे मैथ्स इंजॉय करना सिखाया।
Good afternoon, sir. How are you? I am fine. Hope you are also good. I am your student Harshpreet Kaur of class 9 from Police Public School, Bathinda. First of all, I really thankful to you for being a very kind teacher for us. Your online classes really helped me in my studies. So today I receive a gift from you, that is book of mathematics of class 10 and a letter inside it. This was a very pretty gift, sir. You are the best teacher ever. Once again, thank you, sir. I wish for your bright future. Thank you.
गुड इवनिंग सर। पहले तो मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि थैंक यू जो आपने मुझे गिफ्ट दिया है। ये मुझे बहुत पहले से चाहिए था, क्योंकि मुझे सैनिक स्कूल के लिए फॉर्म भरे हैं तो उसमें मुझे 9th क्लास की मैथ चाहिए थी, जो कि आपने मुझे गिफ्ट के तौर पे दे दी है। मैं आपको बहुत बहुत थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूँ, वेरी वेरी फॉर दिस बिग गिफ्ट। और मैं आपसे इस लेटर के लिए भी थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूँ। थैंक यू सर वेरी मच।
Good afternoon, sir. I am your student Shibi. Today I receive a gift from you, that is a book of mathematics class 12th. It is very useful book for me, and inside it there is a letter for me. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for this gift.
Good evening, sir. This is Aryanshi Bharadwaj of class 8 studying at Kendriya Vidyalaya number 3, Gandhinagar, Kant. So yesterday evening I received a letter from you and also a mathematics book from you, that is of R.D. Sharma, class 9. So I really felt very happy and grateful to receive this letter from you. So also your classes are super and I learn a lot from you. So last but not the least, you are a great teacher, super great friend and a very good companion. So I will pray for your more success, that you'll achieve more higher position. All the best, sir, and thank you for this precious gift.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Dipanshu Khabanda and I study in class 9. So today I want to thank you that you are teaching us maths and NTSC online classes free of cost. So it's a great job and keep on doing this job. Thank you, sir.
A very good afternoon, sir. So the main aim of this video is to say thank you. A very thank you to sir that you have teach me from June, as now our NCSC class will be turned off, but we always follow your guidelines. Sir, you are doing a great job that anybody can't do. Teaching free of cost is really a great job. Again, thank you, sir, and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Adarsh. I'm from Saudi Arabia and I study in grade 9. Sanjeev sir's classes has helped me a lot because he has taught me the hardest topics and given us some extra questions also, and he has taught us to solve these questions in limited time in easiest ways. That is his speciality. Thank you, sir.
Hello Sanjeev sir. Today, first of all, I want to thank you for teaching me. You are a very good teacher, sir. You have taught me each and every question in a very nice way. You gave me assignments every week, and sir, your assignments helped me a lot. I faced problems in many questions. Then I mailed you all the questions in which I faced problems, and you have sent me the solutions. For that, I am thankful to you, sir. I am grateful that I have been taught maths by a teacher like you at free of cost. For me, you are like Mr. Anand Kumar, the teacher we saw in Super 30 who taught maths to students at free of cost. Thanks again, sir, for your awesome teaching.
Hello everyone, my name is Kushi Kumari and I read in Kendriya Vidyalaya Jhapaha, Muzaffarpur, Bihar in class 10th. I have just joined the Sanjeev sir math class and I realized that he is doing very great job. Now I'm feeling glad to be an Indian because there are best teachers like Sanjeev sir who is teaching selfless only for the future of students during this pandemic. He inspires, he entertains us and has very clear communication and has attractive voice, and he is promoting a love of learning. I would like to thank Sanjeev sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Sanjeev sir, for being with us. You have explained all the question of mathematics very clearly and the queries that we have, and you have given so much interesting questions to do at home. Thank you once again, sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Ragini Kumari and I was very worried about my studies in this pandemic. And then I came to know about Sanjeev sir online free maths classes, and I'm very thankful to you, sir, for teaching me and giving me a huge profit. Not only me, but students from different states and different countries which having same boat are taking benefits of your classes. I salute you for your hard work. Thank you, sir.
Hi, I'm Prerna Saikia from Kendriya Vidyalaya Nagaon Assam. I have cleared NTSA Stage 1 2020 from my state Assam. At the mid of 2020, when I was in class 10, I had heard about Sanjeev sir's classes from one of my friends, and soon after that I had joined his NTSC classes. And it has helped me a lot during my preparation for NTSC, and I am grateful to you, sir, for that. So you are doing a great job and you have proved to be a boon for me and a lot of other students during the time of lockdown.
and I hope that I will be able to clear NTSC stage 2 also. And again, sir, I am very grateful to you for your valuable guidance. Thank you, sir.